start crocheting from the center of the blanket. Begin with a magic ring. After forming the ring, chain 2 as the starting stitch. This starting stitch does not count as a stitch. Then crochet 12 double crochets into the ring. After completing the 12 double crochets, tighten the ring, slip stitch into the first double crochet. The first round is complete. For the second round, first chain 2 as the starting stitch. Then, in the first stitch, which is where you just slip stitched, increase by 1 stitch, crochet 2 double crochets, then chain 1. Continue in this manner for the remaining stitches, working 1 set of double crochet increase and 1 chain stitch in each. This round consists of 24 double crochets and 12 chain stitches, total of 36 stitches. After completing the 36 stitches, slip stitch into the first double crochet. The second round is complete. For the third round, first chain 2, then crochet 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Increase by 1 stitch in the second stitch. Crochet 2 double crochets, then chain 1. Continue in this pattern, increasing 1 double crochet every other stitch, and chaining 1. Repeat for 11 more sets. This round increases by 12 stitches, crocheting 48 stitches. After completing the 48 stitches, slip stitch into the first double crochet. The third round is complete. For the fourth round, first chain 2, then crochet 1 double crochet in each of the first 2 stitches. Increase by 1 stitch in the third stitch. Crochet 2 double crochets, then chain 1. Continue in this pattern, increasing 1 double crochet every 2 stitches and chaining 1. Repeat for 11 more sets. This round increases by 12 stitches, crocheting 60 stitches. After completing the 60 stitches, slip stitch into the first double crochet. The fourth round is complete. For the fifth round, first chain 2. Then crochet 1 double crochet in each of the first 3 stitches. Increase by 1 stitch in the fourth stitch. Crochet 2 double crochets, then chain 1. Continue in this pattern, increasing 1 double crochet every 3 stitches, and chaining 1. Repeat for 11 more sets. This round increases by 12 stitches, crocheting 72 stitches. The fifth round is complete. After this, continue following the pattern of rounds 3, 4, and 5, increasing as before. Each round consists of 12 sets. Increase by 1 double crochet in the last stitch of each set. Work the remaining stitches without increasing or decreasing. Crochet double crochets as usual. Separate each set of double crochets with 1 chain stitch. Increase by 12 stitches per round until the desired size is reached. The final round should have a total stitch count that is a multiple of 9. The total stitch count equals the total double crochets plus 12 chain stitches. Now I'll demonstrate how to hide the starting yarn tail. After completing the main body of the blanket, cut the yarn. Then change the yarn and crochet the first round. On the first stitch, loop the yarn and do a slip stitch chain 1 as the starting stitch. Next, crochet a single crochet in the same position. Chain 2. Skip the next 2 stitches without crocheting. Crochet a single crochet on the fourth stitch. Chain 2. Then skip 2 stitches. Crochet a single crochet on the 7th stitch, chain 2, skip 2 more stitches. Continue this pattern of working in groups of 3 stitches until the round is complete. After finishing the round, do a slip stitch on the first single crochet stitch. The first round is now complete. For the second round, start by chaining 1, then crochet a single crochet on the single crochet stitch. Crochet 2 single crochets in the chain space. Continue repeating these steps until the round is finished. The third round begins with crocheting leaves. First, chain 3. Then locate the first long stitch corresponding to the first single crochet. Use this long stitch as a boundary. Excluding it, count 3 stitches to the left. Insert the hook from bottom to top between the second and third stitches, and crochet a single crochet. Then reverse the direction, and crochet in order on the post of the long stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, a single crochet. This completes 1 leaf, then chain 3 again. Still locate the boundary long stitch and count 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Insert the hook from top to bottom between the 4th and 5th stitches. Crochet a single crochet. Then reverse direction, and crochet in order on the post of the long stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet and a single crochet. This completes the second leaf. Next, starting from the second single crochet stitch, crochet 8 single crochets in order. After completing the 8 single crochets, chain 3. Then locate the long stitch corresponding to the 8th single crochet. Count 3 stitches to the left. Insert the hook from bottom to top between the second and third stitches. Crochet a single crochet. Then reverse direction and crochet the leaf on the post of the long stitch, using the method demonstrated earlier. After completing the leaf, chain 3. Still locate the boundary long stitch and count 5 stitches to the right. Insert the hook from top to bottom between the 4th and 5th stitches. Crochet a single crochet. Then reverse direction and crochet the leaf on the post of the long stitch. After completing the second leaf, crochet 8 single crochets in order. After completing the 8 single crochets, chain 3, repeat the previous steps. Continue repeating the leaf pattern for this round. Leave 1 long stitch between adjacent groups of leaves. Now let's crochet the flower. Insert the hook from the rightmost stitch of the left leaf, then pass under the leftmost stitch of the right leaf and loop the yarn for a slip stitch. Then chain 15 stitches. After completing the 15 stitches, go back to the 3rd chain stitch from the end. Starting from here, crochet 3 long stitches into the half braid of each chain stitch. Continue until the 2nd chain stitch. After completing the long stitch on the 2nd chain stitch, chain 2 more stitches. Then make a slip stitch in the same position. The first chain stitch does not count as a stitch. We pull the thread tight. This completes 1 petal of the rose. It will naturally curl up. We arrange it to form 3 layers. Then, weave through the base of the flower, crochet a slip stitch and cut the thread. Tie the 2 ends into a knot. Use a hand sewing needle to hide the thread ends. The remaining petals are crocheted following the same method. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.